What is up, people? Welcome back to another episode of Project Ozone 2 Kappa Mode. I hope everybody's doing alright. I'm doing amazing, and I'm here with my twin. No, I know, I already did that joke. Yeah, I hope everybody's doing alright. I'm doing freakingly amazing, except the fact that I couldn't stream because there was a problem with the browser plugin in OBS and stuff. So yeah, I'm sorry for the people who wanted to stream on Friday. I couldn't do it. In the last episode, we did get that little thing, in the bonus episode that I did. We did get that. Here it's just a chest to be able to empty it faster. And, well, I may have been at work a little bit. You know, just duplicating a couple of things. 459 ME interface, 341 ultimate control, 500 elite. You know, all the good stuff, like even item conduits. Why not? You can do everything that has EMC, like the 1K storage. And what's cool about this is that then you can do this and just shift click until you can't shift click anymore, like so, which I'm missing the calculation press, which, you see, I should have made one more. I should have duped that one also. I did not do. So that's gonna boost us to make our setup because I don't have one anymore. Alright, but yeah, with this you can then, you know, turn it into the next tier, and let's just check engineering. You see, I've got 79. Well, you take it, there's 8,000, and currently I'm using Emerald as a source of EMC, which won't be the case forever. But you put it in the corner and we'll place, it's 8,000, this thing is like 170 something thousand, so yeah, let's see how many we get. We shouldn't get that much. Okay, maybe we're gonna get that much. Okay. Dang, okay, I didn't think we were gonna get that much. But let's grab like the 3 first stacks. And let's continue to upgrade these, but to the maximum, to the max of our possibilities. Okay, so we'll put these in there, and we're just gonna, again, shift click. Alright, we're gonna upgrade this one, because it's gonna ask us for that. Do I have enough electrolyte? Yeah, I'm still good. Alright, so let's put these in there. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, I couldn't make more. I was just missing more of these. Okay, so this can now be upgraded into that. So let's put these in there. And bam, 31. But wait, we can go higher. Yes, you can go higher. The glowstone ingots cannot be duplicated, sadly. And I don't think I've got that many. I've got 8, so I could make 264. For the moment, I don't think it's going to be needed. I will have to automate some of that. It's not that complicated, really not that complicated, considering the fact that now I've got an osmium somewhere. I think this one here. Yeah, the osmo here. So I can do a stack of that and a stack of that. And we can go like this and like that, and it's gonna do it for us. So today, what do I have in plan? Well, I want to automate a system that's gonna give us better things than ludicrite. Simply because, not better things than ludicrite, it's gonna give us ludicrite because ludicrite is the best thing to get EMC. And it only costs 52,000 something or 54,000 to actually make, but it gives 450,000 EMC. So if we look, it gives 452, but it costs 2150, so that's like 43. That's like 8 more, so that's like 51 and 51 and something. So it really is cheap because we're not using this one, we're using that one. So the trick will be to create stuff with the energy condenser, because of course you can duplicate the energy condenser. It costs 2,500,000 or 6. So we will need 4 of these. I think, no, actually 3 of these. And we will need a crafter. But again, I might have a crafter already. Yes, I do have a crafter. And a crafter, well, of course, it has EMC. I don't know if I can just put it there and if it's going to dupe it with the item in there. I don't think it will. But I do know that it's going to create a bunch, and I don't think we'll need that many crafters. Oh, it was using those. Oops. Oopsie. Alright, so we've got a crafter, we've got the energy, we need cables, but certain types of cables. Actually, I was thinking about this, and I don't need certain types of cables, I just need some upgrades. So what we're gonna need is to take some of that, alright, and we're gonna need some ender chests, so about maybe 4, I'd say. Alright, we're gonna need one of each item that goes in there, so one of this, one of that, and one of plutonium. And we're gonna do this like right here because there's just the space for it. Okay, I might need some building blocks. What are those? Is agon. And the agon block, look at 65, that should be enough. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna need a 3 chest. Bam, bam, and bam. And we're gonna need the crafter. So what I want to do, I think I need to keep the team going with this factory for the wall. So we're gonna need a little bit of that, at least one of this. Oh yeah, deep storage. You can dupe them. I made one, which is made like this, but again, this can be duped, this can be duped, this can be duped. So, but, well, not duped, but, you know, exchanged. Let's use the real term. So yeah, I made a couple of those, and they can hold a lot more items. So that's what we will use. Okay. The next part, we got this, we got that, we need power. And, well, we do have tesseracts. And for the moment, I don't think I will just need a zombie thingy, like I usually do. Because the system isn't that impressive. So, I guess I could grab one of these. Yeah, let's grab that one. And also, this is not the only thing I want to do in this episode. So what I'm going to do is I wanted to show you where the things are going to go. And then I'll plug them in. And then I would simply just come back when the cabling is done, because cabling can be a little bit boring. Alright, so the wall goes here. And I just want to have something to place. Actually, this is gonna go there. And we're gonna have the crafter up top. Well, yeah. Nah, we'll move it. We're gonna move that here. We're gonna move it to the side over here. And we're gonna put the deep storage over here. So everything's gonna be like connected together perfectly. Okay, that does work. And I do think I'm gonna have to pass the cable under, because this is connected texture, so it's gonna look better if it actually connects. So yeah, alright. Like so. And I'm gonna pass cables like on the sides. Should I do it on the side? I'm trying to keep you know, some light up in here for you guys. I don't need to eat the carrot, but I will. Okay, so what I do is also use these over here to, you know, continue the design. But alright guys, I'm gonna connect everything and I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, so check this out. Currently, I still haven't transferred anything. I wanted to start it with you. But if we look at what we have here, so I've got an in and an out, and if we open it in the out, I've got 1 item conduit boost. I think I might be okay to do 2, but I'm not 100% certain, so I'm keeping it to 1. And because this is all about timing, the same thing goes to this one. Because what's going to happen is I don't want the items to unfill until they don't have any more EMC in the machine. And when they won't have any more EMC, well then this one, well the ones that are going to be at the top, are going to kick in and try to fill them at the bottom. So if I put it on like this, it shouldn't do anything unless I forgot to change this here. No, I did not. Okay, so Alright, so all the things at the bottom can receive and can send. Currently they're already set up to send, and in here I've got the recipe. I blocked the 2 last spots so nothing else can go in. And I've got 3 times the recipe materials in this area. The ludicrite go here, and here I've got an item translocator. I just thought we would use them because we've never used them, and it can transfer a stack at a time. So if I click this with an empty end, the thing in the middle, it should start transferring. And these things here, as you can see, they keep filling up because this is not as fast as they can go. And this is just going to continue making them. And as you can see, I'm going like maybe 4 a second. So that ain't bad. And this thing just keep filling up. And as soon as there's going to be 1 hole, it's going to put 1 ludicrite in. So that is the plan. And it's going to work. The thing I'm thinking is maybe I should put a couple of upgrades in here, so it puts like maybe 8 ludicrite instead of 1, so it doesn't do as much. And yeah, this thing looks pretty good, except that I forgot to grab 1 carpenter. I don't know if it's me, but my frames did lower when I'm looking at this. It's getting a little bit tough with the frames. As you can see, I had to turn these down, and I still think I'm going to be changing those for drives when we've got, you know, the big ones. But if we look into here, already we've got the devil's number, well, a little bit higher. So this can now be used to, well, for anything. To duplicate stuff. Oh, let me eat. You guys can't probably see or anything. And yeah, so with that, it is going to be helpful to, you know, get more materials when we need to. Alright, so the next step is I want to start AE, like really, because this is AE, but this isn't really AE. AE is automating, is having a lot of machines and things like that. But I will need some power, and it's quite nice to have like the little things we have, like to get the power, but it isn't the best. So the thing we want to have is book, no, engineering, I have never known, oh, it's because it's EN, engineering manual. Alright, so in the engineering manual, there's every machinery, which we need biodiesel. And the biodiesel will need, well, it's supposed to need this, but we don't care, we just want the machine in itself. So what do you need? You need 8 steel scaffolding, 6 light engineering block, 24 sheet of metal, and 3 heavy engineering. So let's remember all this, and I won't. Steel scaffolding, light engineering, heavy... Engineering. Okay, so I've got a couple because I've been doing some quests, which we, you know, have some things to open. Iron scaffolding thing? Like I said, I won't remember, so steel scaffolding. Steel scaffolding. Do I have any steel scaffolding? I do have one, which again, it has EMC. So I don't need to make more, I'm just gonna change it. So sheet and this one. Alright, so we're just going to go duplicate that because I don't want to make one. I want to make a couple. So we're going to put that there. So it's going to start duplicating this. And we're also going to grab a little bit more I don't remember the other name. So just so we can make the other ones at the same time. So we'll put like 3 here. And well, you're going to go away because you're not nicely looking. There we go. So I think that's actually might be enough. That's might be a little bit too many. Alright, let's put the things we're not using like this, like that. This. Perfect. Okay, so we'll have to grab this. We'll need more of these. I don't know what I had in there, but it seems to be doing the trick. Alright, so let's start by taking like, yeah, maybe just 16 could be enough. Alright, and bam! Start making as many as you can. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna need that many. I want to make a couple, but like, not like 700 of those. The thing is, they give 300 RF a tick, 300,000 RF a tick or something. So it's gonna be nice to see. Okay, I think this is gonna be enough. And the last one we need is this one, which we don't need that many. Is there something I can throw? Well, there's probably something I can put in their bag. You know, like this, like that. Turns out I didn't even need the ender chest, so that was cool. Okay, let's put that in there. Okay, so we'll grab that. And we're gonna go at the bottom. I'm gonna put this next to our reactor. So we're gonna put them like 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 of them. So if we look again in the book, we will see how they are made. And I will never remember that. Okay, now I know that this is a plus in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, like this. Then you have scaffolding, 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 heavy, heavy. Alright, that's about my memory can handle. Okay, so... okay, there we go. No, stop playing. Okay, so then it's gonna be heavy and normal and the other things. So, normal and heavy, and then these things. Okay, and then more of these things. Okay. Is that it? Well, how many did it take? They had three big engineering, and it was 6 light, which is 5 and 6. Alright, so that's perfect. I don't think I've got a hammer from immersive engineering on me. So if we go here, hammer, I did make a couple, you know, because I was doing plates and things like that. Let's right click this bad boy and bam. So this thing looks pretty cool. If we look inside, okay, this thing is quite insane. I've got no idea how this thing works. Okay, so what do you need inside? The front of the refinery's fluid output, where the inputs are found on the smaller side, energy. Okay. Green power, so you can give it like potatoes and things? Alright, well, I heard that you can just give it biodiesel and it's going to work, so we're going to try that. We will need an ender chest, so do I have space for all this except the heavy and the scaffolding? Okay, so ender tank, so we'll need 2 of these. And we will need colors. So, dye, what do I have? I've got this. So we're going to use like 2 of these. And we're going to go yellow because it's, you know, the color. I think we're going to go green, yellow, and then white. Okay. So let's go at the things. Oh, yeah. This is for AE. I marked my things with emerald blocks because I kind of have a lot. If you want to understand why, well, I've got 4 cows. So where is this at? 6,415 blocks. Not bad. Not bad. It's getting there. It's getting there. Okay, so biodiesel. Is it here? Betelgeuse. Zinc. Gasoline. Plant. Maybe it's not even called biodiesel. Maybe it's just gasoline or something like that. Biodiesel. There you go. So here it is. So the thing we're gonna do is, of course, I forget again. I forgot to bring me 1 bucket. Well, we're gonna do it like this. I need 1 bucket of biodiesel. And then we're gonna have to go lower. I can't seem to jump in there. Wow, my frames are also killing me here. Alright. We will want to go on the insert. Insert, and we're gonna filter biodiesel. And then we're gonna put our tank, but our tank needs to be set up correctly first. So we said a green, yellow, and then this goes like there. So this should work. We should have everything we need, so we'll put one of these in there just to grab this back, so because it does cause a little bit of lag. Alright. The only problem we're getting is that we don't have one of these. So I'm gonna have to make one of these. I'm gonna connect it here. I'll do the setup and I'll bring you guys back when we're getting some stuff. You know what's wrong with this, guys? Well, this isn't the block I'm supposed to do. This isn't the machine. This is a refinery. Yeah, you probably guys were like, what the heck is he doing? Yeah, what the heck? This is the machine I need to do. This is it. So, that's gonna be a little bit more demanding on the blocks. But yeah, you can use the biodiesel thingy. Alright, so let's see what we needed. So instead, we need 6 generator block, 27 heavy engineering, and 9 radiator. So radiator, I'm pretty sure I have. And again, there's EMC. And a generator, I've also got because I made like a bunch. Alright, so let's make a little bit of generator blocks. Yeah, seriously, I was making the wrong freaking machine. I gotta start looking at what I do. Because I don't seem to be doing the right thing. Alright, so that should be enough. And again, we'll need probably more heavy. Because this thing uses a lot of heavy blocks, so let's just go grab the heavy we have. There we go. Because the thing is, I wanna, oh yeah, that's gonna be way too many. I wanna make more than one. Okay, so we're gonna remove this one. The problem is this, okay. I'll put that in there, this. Okay, so now we can make it again. Oh man, the fails. I do them a lot. Okay, so the construction is a little bit simpler now. So we're gonna go, I think we're gonna go a little bit forward because this thing isn't like as big, so we're gonna start like one behind the front line here. So 1, 2, 3. Did I leave 3? Yes. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. So this is the first layer. Second layer is the same. I could use the wand, I know. But we're not. And there. Second layer, it's pretty much just this. That is a lot. And this side. Alright, so... oh, that is it. Alright, so let's hit that with the hammer that I placed in the back because, you know, I didn't think it was important. There we go. That's the diesel generator. Okay, so where's the input of liquid? Okay, so this is the input of liquid. So we'll place that right there. And I have no idea if it's making power or not. This is where you put the lever. It doesn't make noise. Okay, maybe read the book this time. Let's read the book just to know if we're right on what side goes where. Fuel is to be input at the bottom corners of the generator. Okay, that's good. 3 connection at the top. The 150 generator output will be split between all. Okay. Why does it say 156,000? It's supposed to be a lot more. That's what I heard. I heard 300 something. Maybe they reduced it. Biodiesel, gasoline. Oh yeah, gasoline is a lot better. The following table lists all valid fuel for diesel generator and for how long it takes. Well, I've got biodiesel, so I don't really care. We're gonna put that there, okay. So now we need, like, stuff to... well, we need this. That's the thing we need. The reason we need this is it has an EMC value. And it is quite impressive. Oh, yeah, that kind of made a lot, actually. I'm kind of surprised. Okay, so we're going to place that there. But this thing's not receiving anything. Oh, did I turn that? It's not receiving anything. Oh, there it is. Oh my god, it filled it in a second. Let's see how fast it's going to fill one. It's filled up. Okay. Well, that is quite impressive. That is quite impressive. The thing is, this is not going to be there. I will have to probably like put the bank on the side here to get power to it. But the thing that I made... Oh, and yeah, I do need to make like a couple more. I made some tesseracts. So that is what we're actually going to use. Alright guys, let me do the other ones. I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, so I may have went a little bit too far in Tesseract count, but I think we're good. Good, so we've got the biodiesel in the back of each generator, and, well, I've got this thing here, which I'm just waiting to see. I think we're even going to do that, because I want to see how much we get, and this is going to be the input. So, bam! 500, 600. Oh, so we get 600 RF a tick from 4 generators. So it isn't bad, but this thing can produce 300 by itself. So I do think they reduced it because people have been telling me that it was doing like 300,000 RF a tick. So yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed, but that's cool. I like it. And now that means that we can also have, let's go 64 because it's a number, and we'll go with the output. And we're gonna go there and there, and this one's gonna go here and send the power. So when this thing's nice. I decided to like duplicate more, and this thing can hold 87 trillion 500 million, I think, or is it billion and million? Yeah, maybe billion. Yeah, I don't know. In the US, you guys count your money differently, it seems. Trillions and billions are different. Or, I don't know. But yeah, so that's a big number. That's 87.5 multiplied by 100 it's 875 multiplied by 100,000. There you go. That's how much we can fit in there. I think I fit everyone in that category when I use it like that. But yeah, guys, that is going to be it for today. So I do hope you enjoyed the episode. If you did, don't forget to leave a like. If you loved it, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.